Urjit Patel wants to give growth a chance. Presenting his maiden monetary policy, the new man at the helm of India's central bank announced a 25 basis point rate cut, much to the surprise of economists and bankers. The repo rate has been cut to 6.25%, the first rate cut in 6 months.
The weak global demand is actually going to drag down trade volumes to decline. There will be a further possible downgrading of global growth. I'll be surprised if there isn't. Thirdly, the systemic central banks of the world continue to pose uncertainty for emerging markets, causing volatility in EMs due to mixed US macro data, as also in the European Union.
In fact, it was a unanimous call by the Monetary Policy Committee, with all 6 members voting for a rate cut, despite the risk of consumer inflation edging up.
What we have identified are some upside risks, but there are downside risks also. If you see that range, when we talk about 4.5, it's very large. If I look at over the next 7-8 quarters, the government has introduced structural policy reform policies, which is of course done to ease supply constraints.
On bad loans, Governor Patel has taken over from where his predecessor Raghuram Rajan left. The RBI has provided some leeway for banks in the S4A norms, even as Patel said the central bank will work closely with the government to resolve the bad loan menace.
The NPA situation is an important issue for the RBI in India. We will deal with the situation with firmness, but also with pragmatism, so that the economy does not feel any lack of credit to support the growth in the economy. But we must remember that the situation has not occurred overnight and therefore will require skill and thoughtful endeavor to resolve.
Understandably, industry and market players are a relaxed lot. They say the shift in focus to growth will give the economy the much-needed boost, with some even suggesting that another round of rate cut could well be on the cards before March. With Neha Bothra, Sonali Krishna, ET Now, Mumbai. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.